Hello guys. What if I told you India has its own WhatsApp alternative, completely made in India, secure and ad free? It's called Arattai, developed by the same company behind Zoho. And today we are diving deep into it. So, who made it? This application, Zoho Corporation. That is the Chennai-based tech giant, and Sridhar Vemu is the founder of the Zoho Corporation. And what is the meaning of Arattai? That is the meaning chatting. Okay, that is the Tamil word. And it launched actually 2000 around 2020 to 2021. That was the beta phase. And yeah, this what's the motivation behind this application? Actually, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Indian data privacy and local alternatives. Actually, Ministry Indian government also sponsored this application. Okay, so go to the Arattai application. So what is the app overview? Let's check the app overview and features. At first, you can download the in desktop or you can log in web browser. So I want to log in web browser. There have a QR code. If you have already the application, so you need to the application or sign in mobile number instead. That is the best option. Okay, here is the minimal and clean UI UX design of Arattai. So you can set dark mode from here. Okay. So there are various lots of features in there: chat, group, podcast, voice and video calls, status feature, and dark mode also see you. Cloud sync with zero ecosystem, and no ads, no data sharing. Also here end-to-end encryption Arattai claimed, but there have so many conflicts, so I just ignore it. So let's check it. There have a chat section. Okay, so you can chat from here. Also you can search your contact, like I just search, like there have a contact. I just hello. Okay, from here messaging system. Let's check it how message system is kind of okay. And there have a wait, there have a video call system, calling system, pin, mute, profile info, and here what's there, bold. Oh, that feature is really grateful. Okay, and the emoji, that is okay, not bad. Voice system, okay, hello. Voice system is good. Okay, and here the group section, direct messages, and the all things group and direct message. So here is the cool feature of Arattai. So that is the meeting, and you don't need to go to the Google Meet or Zoom type application. You directly meeting set here, and there are like a instant meeting section. There are a schedule meeting. You can set your meeting in future. Okay, and there is a join meeting section. You just put your meeting ID and just join. Okay, and you can search your all meetings from here. There have a calling section. This is the story section, that's nice. And this is the star message section. You can just search or just show all the chatting star messages section from here. And there have a channel, you can create channel from here. If there have a mention, if you mentioned in any group or anywhere, you just directly show in there. Okay, and there are a whole contact section. And this, what is this, mobile? Oh, you can download it for the Windows or 32 bits or 64 bit. You can download from the Google or Microsoft Store, whatever you can choose. Okay, so here have a settings section, and here you can delete or sign out, delete your account or sign out from your devices. There are a lots of customization. You can just change your view from here. You can set your theme, classic, light and dark. Okay, there have a from the security and privacy, there have a lot of features in available. Okay, and calling and met meeting section, you can change your caller tune from there. System preference, you can set or you can create your meeting branding. Okay, so there have a notification section and device and season. From you can just terminate all, you can check the what in which devices you are logged in, or you can terminate from all other active season. Okay, so is Arattai can beat WhatsApp or Telegram. So Arattai made in India and WhatsApp made by Meta, and Telegram RU Telecom. So corporation. So here end-to-end encryption, Arattai claims they have a end-to-end encryption in the application, but they have a conflict. Okay. And WhatsApp also, WhatsApp is already end-to-end encrypted, and Telegram is also, and that is also, you can say this is secret chat. And file sharing, Arattai up to 100 MB, WhatsApp also 100 MB, but Telegram 2 GB. That's really beast. And ads, Arattai have never any ads section. And for the WhatsApp current coming features, okay, but Telegram no ads. And cloud backup, Zoho Cloud is already in there, and there have a Google Drive or Telecom Cloud. Telecom Cloud is really best. Also, I think Arattai Zoho Cloud is will become the bigger beast than the Telecom. Privacy policy, this is the transparent, but I don't think this is transparent. And WhatsApp, Facebook linked, and Telecom independent. Okay, so let's check pros and cons. Okay, so in the pros, this is made in India. This is indigenous application. That's really a proud moment. And this is lightweight and smooth. Great for privacy lovers. I don't think so. No ads or a hidden tracking. Works well in low network. Okay, that's really great. Okay, in the India. And there are the cons, small user base. That's a very bad. Okay, fewer indication compared to WhatsApp, and still improving group calling and media sharing speed. Okay, so here also the chat section. Let's check it. There have a pocket section. You just can save your personal message. This is in Zoho Cloud. This is my chat. Okay, this is really nice. Okay, Pocket FM, Pocket FM, not pocket storage, personal storage. So name is really cool. So if Arattai adds desktop version, to already no matters. And if Arattai adds stickers or payment option, it could become a real game changer. Whatever you can think, just drop your comment. Okay. So thank you. Please subscribe this channel.